Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first video, well, the first video that you guys will probably have seen, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up your node.js config. This is really simple, just follow these steps. The next episode I'm going to do on coding is going to be making a Discord.js bot. It's going to teach you the very basics, but obviously first we need to install a couple of programs which will help us do that. First you'll want to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Visual Studio is an IDE. It will allow you to edit code and it will also format that code for you. It's free, you may as well install it, it makes everything easier. Then you need to go to node.js.org and you need to install Node. Node is what we're going to be using. We want the current version with the latest features, and you can see it immediately gives it. I've already installed Node, so I can just continue. Now you're going to need a CMD prompt, and once you've installed Node and everything is working, you simply want to go into your desktop and then make a directory, and we're just going to call it bot, and we're going to go into that, and now we're going to create a package.json file. This will tell npm what we have installed. It will make it so we can use npm's audit command, and it will allow us to find security vulnerabilities a hell of a lot easier. You can just keep on pressing enter through all this until you're asked for a yes or no prompt, and just reply with yes. Now we've done that, we can actually install Discord.js, and you can do that with this command I'm typing in right now. That will normally take around a minute or two, depending on how fast your PC is. Mine's kinda slow, especially when I'm recording, so it'll probably take this about a minute. This is a really short video, so okay, so now we have Discord.js installed, and we should be able to do npm list and view the list of packages we've got installed. The only one should be Discord.js, seeing as that is the only one I have installed so far. Okay, it took it a bit to actually fetch that information, but you can see we have Discord.js installed and it's our only package. So thanks for watching this video. I will most likely release another one telling you how to actually make your Discord bot. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check out the description for helpful links and a couple of Discord servers. Goodbye.